Here is the beehive where all the bees hiding away where nobody see. What's the confining out of the hive? 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. Buzz, 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 buzz. I see number on the clock, on the wall and on the block, on the packaging in my book. Number everywhere I look. How many donkeys do you see? 1. How many butterflies do you see? 2. How many ticks do you see? 3. How many swallows do you see? 4. How many spiders do you see? 5. How many butterflies do you see? 1. How many mice do you see? 2. How many swallows do you see? 3. How many donkeys do you see? 4. How many ticks do you see? 5. Ostrich. An ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. You will never see an ostrich in the sky. I eat broccoli and watermelon and pineapple. And I drink your milk, drink your juice, and drink your coke, and drink your water. And I play with my friends, play with my family, and I play with my teacher, and I play with my uncle, my family, 5 people, father, mother, and little brother, and me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.